Okay, got it out of the bag, hooked up. Never mind my nasty looking cables, they're covered in dielectric grease to keep them from corroding up. Now this thing here screws on the tire, screws on the valve stem on that end. This end got a quick disconnect on it. Tell you right now, if it's like that little one, this axle is going to get hot. Be right back. Okay, this little $80 air compressor from Harbor Freight. You know, everybody with a Jeep needs an air compressor. You never know if you're going to go out riding, you want to air a tire down. And the old Comanche's got a flat. So, hook everything up, then turn it on. Simple rocker switch in the back. And we'll just let it run. The last one, the little cheap one, took 7 minutes to air up a tire to 30 pounds. This is a 31-10-50. 31-10-50-15. And you can see we're at, what, 20 pounds now? And it ain't been hardly 2 minutes. It ain't been 2 minutes. I've only been recording 2 minutes now, so. I think it draws enough power. You probably want to leave your car running, Jeep running, whatever. Trying to decide if it's got, I think a little bird got a plastic head. Anyway, it looks made to look like metal. About fell down. 2.5 minutes. We're at 25 pounds. And I think we'll take it up to about 30. Maybe 32, 33. And we'll turn the air compressor off and see what happens. Yeah, I gotta crawl underneath this Comanche and put a starter on it. So I want it back up in the air. This was the middle son's first truck, and he didn't take care of it and didn't bother fixing stuff that went wrong, so it become mine again. And I fixed most stuff that's wrong with it. Well, water leaks. She's still going. It's not overly noisy. 26 pounds, 3.5 minutes, about 3 minutes. Instructions say hook up all your air hoses before you turn it on, because it'll build up so much pressure, it'll pop the fuse, it'll get so much resistance. So. And I imagine it's got a check valve in there, so when we turn it off, we'll unhook it and see if air blows out. If it doesn't, we know there's a check valve to keep air from bleeding back, so you can just turn it off, unhook everything, and put it away. It's not a bad little deal. Like I say, last tire I did was about this size. I think it was a 255-75-17 with the small air compressor. And it was 7 minutes to get it to 30 PSI. And we're at 4 minutes and just hitting 30 PSI. That's not bad. All right. Flip the power switch. Be advised, this handle and this hose is extremely hot. We might want to let that cool down a few minutes. Hold on a second, be right back. Okay, I suggest you carry gloves if you're going to have one of these. It does have a check valve in it, so you can just pop it off. I use my t-shirt. This rascal here is hot, hot, hot. But it did the job. Got a 20-foot air hose. And you've seen how fast it come up to about 30 pounds, 32 pounds. So that's not bad. Anyway, that's my little review of the what, $70 Harbor Freight 1.65 CFM air compressor. It's handy for have a low tire or flat tire, or if you're like me and you take the Jeep out, though, like I said, you want to air tires down and be able to air them back up on the edge of the trail. So that about covers that. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.